So I mean, although you get your bags checked already from London, they check your bags again. And we've arrived after a pretty long taxi ride from the airport, but it is truly beautiful out here. Got palm trees everywhere. That's the place we're at, and this is the entrance, which didn't look that great on YouTube, but it looks a bit better out here. Yeah, we'll give you some shots in the daytime so you guys can get to see how it looks, but this is the nighttime at the Valeria Club Madina in Morocco, Marrakesh. Thank you. So this is our room, guys. The bathroom's actually a lot better than the YouTube videos that I saw. Thank God for that, because they were rancid. 2 twin beds. You've got a wardrobe. Nothing fancy. A TV, extra bed in case you come with family. Good morning, guys. Just woken up. Give you guys a little tour. So this is our outside our room. Pretty cool. It's nice and early. It's about 8 AM at the moment. So I thought I'd use this as an opportunity to try and get some footage for you guys. Hopefully not too many people about. So this is the hallway. And from our bedroom window, we actually can see this. There's a little window in our room. We can actually see this. Very Morocco. This is what the entrance looks like in the morning. That is the entrance. Morning shot of it. So guys, here at the back of the resort, you've got a nice water park over there. And you've got some more stuff that, I mean, this place is so big, guys. So it looks like they usually do some burgers, wraps and stuff over here. You've got a big square here, and it looks like you've got another pool down the back there. I mean, this place really is amazing. I didn't expect it to be this good. There's so you've got like the main sort of water park over there, and then I believe if you walk over this way a bit, they've got something for the kids, like a little kids water park over there. And this is the kids water park. There's nobody actually in here. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. So you've got somewhere for your kids to go and play, and somewhere for adults to play too. So this is the entertainment lounge. They normally have the football matches going on in here, or in the evenings there's quite a bit of entertainment. To the bar area outside there. Inside bar. And yeah, that's that, guys. Okay guys, so just outside the entertainment bit, where the entertainment lounge is, we've got a nice little, I guess you can call it a gardens. You can sit down and relax. It's just here by the bar and the entertainment room. So here's your lunchtime selection, guys. You've just seen earlier in the breakfast videos. It smells really good. This is lunch. Chef. Got a lot of options here. So this is the lunchtime stuff. Looking really good, to be fair. Hot bowls. Bonjour. My wife's favorite. Shannon will love all of this. This is Shannon's stuff. Vast array of chocolates and sweets. So yeah, guys, that's the lunchtime selection. Just on our way to the supermarket to get some goods. Our drivers just told us this is the King's Palace. Very beautiful. Amazing. This is tourist. Right, so this lovely lady just gave us a tour. They've got a load of different creams for eczema, cirrhosis, if you've got black stuff under your eyes, for your hair. So it's a really, really good shop. They've got a load of herbs, spices. This is down in Old Medina. So yeah, if we manage to get the name of the shop, we'll put it in the description. And you get some perfume as well. So just by the hotel, we've actually got quad biking and camels just here by your hotel. Those ones, they don't take you through the desert, but if you wanted to do like a camel ride or quad, then you do have those on the same road as the hotel. Try and attempt to show you guys what we've got at dinner, a couple of bits. This is a hot buffet. Quite a bit of dinner options there. So this is your dinner night. Quite a few bits and bobs. And then all your salads and bits that you saw earlier on. But yeah, this is dinner, guys. This is what dinner looks like here at the Valeria Medina Hotel. So I believe this is one of their franchises or part of their brand. We're not actually staying at this place, but this is another one of their hotels that is on the same road as ours. And this is the entrance. Very nice. So we're in the Ourika village, and our driver has just brought us up to the mountains where we bought some creams, some perfumes, and we got some gifts for our driver as well. And you got a nice shot of the mountains from up here, and nice little seating area here. And my lovely wife there, just cutting past the camera. And there's a snowy mountain actually here as well, which I believe we're headed more closer towards, where you can do skiing. Apparently a lot of Americans go there. So yeah, this is the Ourika village. And they actually speak a different language here. There's obviously a lot of Arabic and Moroccan, Arabic and French, sorry, spoken here in Morocco, but there is actually another native language here, which is the Ourika language. Chatting with the locals. So our driver has taken us somewhere in the mountains where there's some really lovely ladies that have given us a demonstration about a lot of creams and perfumes and stuff. The prices here compared to Marrakesh are a lot better, so really good prices. Have video for you?
No worry.
Talk to them, talk to
Welcome,
them.
sir. You can't come in Ourika Valley for Waterfalls.
This is our guide. This is our
My
guide,
name's Abdel.
Abdi, showing us everything. This is an Atlas Ifrad. Yeah, so we got our guide. He's looking after us, taking care of us, show us everything.
You're going up. Going just in the snow.
We're going up to the snow, yeah? Okay, he's taking us up to the peak of the mountain, so we'll let you know how that goes. The Shadows just walked across that little bridge there. We're still on our hike in Atlas, up the mountain. Interesting hike. Monkeys everywhere. Monkey's having a fight.
City Fatima. For example, we live in this village, 65 families, 600 people live in this area.
Oh wow.
This, for example, that village is second village in Atlas, the first one. I can walk here from here, 20 kilometers more up in Morocco. I have 25 village more to go. 25 kilometers. For example, here is finished the route from the car. For these people live in Atlas, you go from here by foot walking, maybe by donkey.
Oh wow.
By donkey 4 hours, 5 hours.
4 or 5 hours?
Yes.
By the donkey?
By donkey, yes.
Wow.
For the people live in Atlas. That's maybe in summer season till July, August, I have a lot of Moroccan tourism, maybe European. I can walk here from here 4 days for hike.
4 days hike?
For hike, yes. I can
Wow.
walk in 5 hours, 6 hours a day. I can live in Atlas, I can live in the house in Atlas.
Wow.
That's maybe it's climbing distance 4,165.
Wow.
Atlas in Morocco, maybe 60 in Africa. Maybe 60 in Africa, 60 in Jaro, in Tanzania.
So we've stopped off in this shop, which is up by the Atlas Mountains, to get some proper clothing. None of that Western stuff. We got some proper heritage clothing right here. She's not happy about it, but what'd you do with that? And then they got some gifts in here. And we'll grab a couple of key rings for family, friends. And there's our guide again. Guys, so we just finished our hike up the mountain. We didn't go too high because Shannon had actually slipped on the way up there. So we, decided not to go right to the top. Probably sensible. Would advise, if you're coming up here, to maybe bring some boots or shoes, but the Nike or Adidas trainers, not really cutting it. But yeah, definitely highly recommend this place if you come to Morocco. The Atlas Mountains. Our tour guide was Adil. Awesome geezer, awesome geezer. So yeah, we will have some links in the description of where you can get a good driver and a good tour guide. Alright guys, this was our tour guide. Tell your name. Tell your name.
Abdel.
Abdel.
Your guide in this Ourika Valley.
And they can find you here?
Yes, I can come next time to come from here. I can walk for you 2 days hike.
And you will take them?
Yes, from Atlas Mountains.
Okay.
Okay.
So
yes, maybe
this is a tour guide, very good tour guide. We're heading back to Marrakesh now. Gonna go probably past Old Medina, and we'll try and get a few snapshots of the King's Palace for you guys. But look at how beautiful this place is. I mean, it's amazing, isn't it? Pretty palm trees, very civilized, very nice place. Seems like a little town on the way into Old Medina.
C'est la dernière fois que tu fais ça. Ça va bien? Wow! Wow!
So we're just heading to the spa. I didn't actually realize how big this place is. Probably because I didn't explore. But yeah, they've got tennis courts, they've got a spa, they've got loads of other stuff that were just on that board that I didn't bother to read to you. So yeah, we're walking up to the spa now, but this is the walk down there. Pretty beautiful. And when I was walking past from outside, you could sort of see in here, and I thought it was a totally different place, but it's all part of this place here. I'll pick it back up outside the spa. So just approaching the bar, the spa now, sorry, not the bar. They've got this manga place. I mean, I'll find out what it is at some point.
It's a restaurant.
It's a restaurant, apparently. Look at all the solar panels over there. They're being green. So this is the spa. I guess I'll pick it up in a minute. These are the lockers, which happen to be very annoying because on here it does say 25, or that's what it looks like it says. It's actually 28. But you get a pair of slippers. Not quite sure what that is yet. And yeah. So this is a little waiting area as you come into the spa. It's really nice. Don't mind me. Coming.
Oh, okay.
And this is the sauna. Really nice. So this is actually the hydro pool and the indoor pool. It's quite empty, there's no one here, but look at how beautiful this is, guys. I mean, this is truly amazing, isn't it? You can come and use this for about 100 dirhams, which is about £10. So yeah. Yeah.
Pocket for phone, here and here.
Okay.
And the
Thank
glass.
you.
See that they come here.
Pull your thing down a bit, Shan, so we can see your face. Yeah. So we are out in the desert at the moment, guys. We're doing some camel riding. We've got an amazing guide. You could also do quad biking here and horse riding, actually. So yeah. Pretty decent, pretty fun in the middle of the desert on a camel. I usually prefer horseback, but I'll take a camel. There's Shannon. Yeah. Her camel right on my ass. So guys, if you want to do any camel ride, any quad bikes, you come in here. Tell them where can they find you?
Welcome to Agafay. Welcome to Agafay.
And
to
your-
ride the camel and the quad biking.
And your name?
My name is Karim.
Karim
Rahim.
and Abdul Rahim and Mahal. You come in here, okay?
مرحبا بكم.
God bless. Hey guys, so we haven't managed to show you this part of the vlog yet. This is the private pool that, as you can see, not many people know about. It's right at the back of the resort and it's kind of a secret, but yeah. And then there's some tennis courts back here as well. So yeah, and then obviously you've got your wonderful palm trees and all that. But yeah guys, this is the private pool. Beautiful weather outside. Right guys, so we finally found out what the manga is. So this is what they call the Zen pool. And as you can see there, this pool is open from 10. It doesn't actually close, it's open all night. And this is the adult only pool. It's a shame that we're only just coming here now. But yeah, this is the adults only pool. Really nice. Chilled vibes. Give you a little shot of the pool. Yeah guys, so it's our last day today. You know, obviously when we travel we're really polite to the locals, we look after them, we take great care of them. This is our dinner today, and we've sat at this table almost every time. And the last 2 times we came, the table was actually moved, and I joked with them and said, oh, I've got to go home now because our table's not here anymore. And they, you know, went out of their way to go and get us a table from elsewhere and put it here tonight. You know, even though they didn't know we was leaving, just because we're so polite to them and lovely, they've gone out of their way and pulled us a special drink, special bucket. And as you can see, you know, everyone else in the restaurant has a white tablecloth. You know, all the other tables are white. He's put the special red tablecloth for us. I mean, this place is just top notch. It really is. I'm so happy. And a nice tip for him. You can't help that.
Carnaval, signori e signori.